Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. The presentation titled Strategic Planning and Management, Case Study of Sony, presented by me, Degal Farzi Hasibuan. The introduction for this presentation is this is a comprehensive analysis of Sony Group Corporation strategic planning over a 5-year period through a detailed content analysis of Sony annual corporate reports from 2020 to 2024. The research systematically examines the company's strategic journey across its formulation, implementation, and evaluation phase. A core finding is that Sony effectively leveraged its clearly articulated purpose, fill the world with emotion through the power of creativity and technology to guide its diverse global operation and work towards achieving sustained competitive advantage. Next is Sony's guiding purpose and vision. Sony's strategic direction is fundamentally anchored by its core purpose, which is served as both vision and mission. Fill the world with emotion through the power of creativity and technology. This statement is consistently articulated across its communication. This purpose is supported by core values, dreams, and curiosity, diversity and integrity, sincerity, and sustainability of the corporate. The corporate direction further clarifies this by aiming at getting closer to people, encompassing creators, users, and the employee who drive the businesses. Outside USA strategic planning. Sony's strategic planning inherently demonstrates a robust and proactive approach to international operation. Rather than viewing international market as a mere extension of domestic activities, Sony's considered global reach and cultural diversity as intrinsic to its core purpose of filling the world with emotion. Expanding direct-to-consumer or DTC service like PlayStation Network, Crunchyroll to enhance global reach. The music segment targets global streaming growth and emerging markets. Pictures aim to meet global content and demand, particularly through DTC anime service like Crunchyroll. Imaging and sensing solutions strive for global leadership in image sensors and explore new applications like automotive. However, operating on such a vast international scale also presents inherent challenges like geopolitical risk, necessitating continuous monitoring and agile response. Ethics, social responsibility, and sustainability. The company's overreaching purpose is reinforced by core value, particularly integrity and sincerity, and sustainability, which are presented and shared principles for its global workforce. Sony actively engaged in social responsibility through significant financial commitments, such as the 100 million funds for global relief for COVID-19 and another 100 million global social justice fund. Efforts to empower creators and users include enhancing product accessibility, like the Access Controller for PS5, and supporting diversity in creative industry. While the commitment is clear, more granular quantitative data of year-over-year environmental performance in report would enhance transparency. Sony's integrated, purpose-driven approach to ESG leverages its core values to guide global operation, make significant social contribution, and commit to ambitious environmental targets, solidifying its competitive advantage. Types of strategies employed. Sony's strategies are designed to leverage its core strengths in creativity and technology, adapt to dynamic market shifts, and drive long-term growth, all guided by its identity as a creative entertainment company with a solid foundation of technology. Intensive strategies are prominent, including market penetration efforts like expanding the PlayStation ecosystem and growing its music streaming market share. Market development is pursued by rolling out games on PC and mobile and developing image sensor solutions for new sectors like automotive and industrial applications. Vision and mission analysis. Sony consistently articulates its core purpose and identity, which effectively function as its vision and mission statements, providing clear strategic direction across its diverse business. These statements are prominently featured in annual reports, demonstrating their central role in Sony's long-term management. This statement captures the company's long-term aspiration, visionary aspect, and defines the fundamental means by which Sony operates and differentiates itself. Missionary aspect. The corporate direction focuses on creators, users, and employees. The consistency of this purpose indicates a deeply integrated organizational philosophy. This purpose and corporate direction guides strategic focus area and explicitly linked to Sony value creation model, which places the purpose at its core. The internal audit. An internal audit of Sony based on its annual report reveals a company with significant internal strengths primarily rooted in its technological prowess, diverse content intellectual property or IP, strong brand recognition, and a cohesive corporate culture driven by its purpose. The 2021 group architecture evolution aimed to enhance group management and collaboration. Talent diversity and management are emphasized, with progress in increasing leadership diversity. The external audit. Sony's annual report consistently reveals a keen awareness of external force, with active monitoring and adaptation of its strategic planning to leverage opportunities and mitigate threats across various macro-environmental categories. Economic forces include global economic uncertainties, supply chain instability, and inflationary pressures, but also market growth at specific segments like streaming, social, culture, and demographic force show increased demand for digital entertainment. A trend toward service and subscription models, the convergence of entertainment and social experience, and the global rise of Japanese anime. Strategy generation and selection. Sony's strategies generation and selection process appears to be data-driven, purpose-aligned, and focused on maximizing the Kando creation and delivery. The company leverages internal strengths such as creative content IP, advanced technology, strong brand, and diverse business portfolio. It addresses external opportunities like the rise of digital entertainment and streaming by investing in DTC service and responding to threats like geopolitical risks through measures like consolidating Sony's financial holdings for management stability. Strategy implementation. In marketing, a central strategy is direct engagement with consumer via DTC platform like PlayStation Network and Crunchyroll. IP monetization across platforms like games and films expand reach and deepens engagement. Global markets penetration efforts include strengthening relationship with local partners and investing in regional artists. Finance and accounting functions strategically allocate resources to key growth areas with substantial investment in content IP and AI. Decisions like consolidating Sony Financial Holdings and its planned partial spin-off aim to optimize capital pronouncement and management optionally. Strategy execution. Sony's strategy execution is a complex undertaking, yet annual reports highlight a consistent effort to align annual objectives, refine organizational structures, and strategically allocate resources, and foster a cohesive culture through human resources, all supporting its Kando creation purpose. Annual objectives are set through clearly defined mid-range plans with segment-specific direction, and also operational policies guide day-to-day execution to the employees. Strategy monitoring and adaptation. Organizational performance is measured using financial metrics such as consolidated sales, operating income, operating cash flow, and adjusted EBITDA. Non-financial and operational indicators include user engagement, market position or share, IP performance, and employee engagement and sustainability progress against Road to Zero targets. The underlying basis of strategies are viewed regularly, reflected in adapting to change to consumer behavior and external events like the pandemic. Mid-range plans are acknowledged to acquire adjustment. Sony explicitly states it continually reviews its portfolio composition as a regular management practice. The conclusion is Sony demonstrates an ingrained global perspective, strong ethical and sustainability commitment, and a masterful blend of intensive integration and diversification strategies. Its consistent vision and mission foster internal alignment. Sony keenly monitors and adapts to dynamic force, capitalizing on digital entertainment growth while addressing geopolitical risks. Implementation and execution translate strategies into action through functional excellence, responsive organizational structure, and an engaged workforce. The company's consistent monitoring and willingness to take bold corrective action highlight a mature strategic management process designed to sustain competitive advantage. That's all for my presentation. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.